What's going on, amigos? We are still in Mobile. Actually, we are not in Mobile right now. We are on the outskirts of Mobile, and we are going to visit a place called Bellingra's Gardens. So I told Ron, hey, let's go check it out. We're very close to Bayou La Batre. If you ever seen the movie Forrest Gump, and you remember where Bubba was from, he was from Bayou La Batre. Bubba's dream was to start a restaurant with Forrest, and then Forrest ended up doing it on his own because Bubba passed away during the Vietnam War. So Forrest ended up buying a shrimping boat and doing it on his own. So you guys seen the movie. I don't have to explain, but you know, it's one of my favorite movies of all time. So we're going to Bayou La Batre, and hopefully we'll find a good place where we can have some shrimp. Ready to check out Bellingra's Gardens?
You want to see some flowers?
Ronnie wants to see some flowers. Hey, flowers are very pretty here. First, we take the audience into a cemetery in Savannah. Now we're gonna take them to see flowers. They're gonna be like, the heck? What is this, Ronnie? You're the plant expert.
I don't know, back home we call them ponytail palm. I've never seen one that big. Look at that size of that root ball. Holy crap. Hibiscus.
Look how beautiful that one is.
Crotons.
What are these, Ronnie?
Orchidea prettia.
You're so full of it, man.
This is where to do the human sacrifices?
This is where they did the human sacrifices, that's right. This is the section called the Japanese Gardens. It's always been beautiful here. So peaceful, man. Tell us a little bit about koi.
They're big. It's a variety of carp, and the Japanese have names for all of the different color patterns, and they breed them for show. They can cost tens of thousands of dollars. It's amazing.
All right, so we're done. We're going back to the Bayous, and we're gonna go check out Bayou La Batre, the town of Bubba Gump. All right, guys, we have arrived to Bayou La Batre, famous for its shrimping industry. As you can see right here, you'll see a lot of shrimp boats, like the one Forrest bought. Now we're looking for a place to eat. So hopefully we can have some nice shrimp, man. That's what I'm looking forward to. Good shrimp. Pretty wild drawbridge, huh? They actually lift the entire bridge up. Well, not entire, but a section of it. Rather than just, you know, doing it like this, it just goes up. Finally, it took forever for this drawbridge to go. Takes like half hour for the whole thing to go up and down. Look at how many cars. And this is a very sleepy town. It's not like there's a whole lot of traffic. Look at all these cars. Crazy. All right, guys, somebody recommended this place, Catalina Bayou Restaurant. So let's check it out, guys. They better have some good seafood, man. We are in Bubba land right here.
We are?
Yes. This is supposed to be, you know, the southern capital of the shrimping industry. Better have some real good shrimp.
Thank you, sir. These guys look like they know what's here. So here we are at Catalina's in Bayou La Batre. We're about to sample some of the Gulf's finest. Before us we have the shrimp gumbo and the crab bisque. And we're gonna partake of those after we enjoy some crackers and some whipped bread. Next up, fried green tomatoes with a remoulade sauce.
Those look good, man.
After more crackers with whipped spread.
The cream of the crop right here. Those things are huge, man. They look so yum. You ready to dig in, Ronnie?
I would agree. I already started. What are you talking about?
You already started? You gotta wait for me, man.
Hush puppies, full of corn, delicious.
Well, that looked like it was a complete success right there. There's nothing but shrimp carcasses.
That was good, man. That was awesome. Bayou, batre, the land of Bubba.
Don't make me say it.
Say it.
Bubba.
Tell me, just name a few shrimp dishes that Bubba would like to make. Come on, you can do it. Indulge the audience. Tell them.
Shrimp gumbo, shrimp biscuit, shrimp burger.
Well, I put you on the spot and come on, man.
Total loss for words.
Oh, Dolphin Island. I love this place, guys. This was my playground. I used to come here all the time, every week, and fly paramotors right off the beach. It's great, man. Brings a lot of nice memories. So peaceful around here. Welcome to the Bayou. Ronnie and I are big into playing beach paddle. We call it Cadimas.
That's what it says on the paddle.
You
We couldn't think of anything else.
gotta check how this sand sounds like. The squeaky sand of the south.
Crap.
Dolphin Island is a really cool place. One of my favorite beaches. I used to come here almost on a weekly basis. Every weekend I'll come here with the family. But this place is.
I didn't.
You didn't? Because I didn't know you back then. But this place has changed so much through the years. Every storm just changes the island completely because it's a very narrow island. You're fired. Every storm changes the island tremendously. And I don't even know what I was saying, Ronnie. You threw me completely off. Anyway, so if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, that is the pier right there. I used to fish flounder off that pier at the very, very beginning over there. The entire pier is inland, but not just inland, it's far, far inland. That's how far the land is right now. About 200-300 yards from the tip of the pier all the way to where the beach is. Today, that was all water. This was all water. We're standing in what used to be water. It's crazy how these islands have changed through the years. You know, every storm just changes the landscape. Actually, it's nice because the beach is so wide nowadays. It's huge. Look at this. It's really, really wide.
Good morning, amigos. We just left Mobile and we are on our way to New Orleans. So we're taking the slow road, but the more scenic road. Been looking forward to come back to New Orleans for a while. I love the place, and not necessarily for what it's famous for, which is, you know, the super partying and all the craziness that goes in New Orleans. New Orleans got a lot more to offer. It's got amazing cuisine. It's got amazing music. The people are super cool. We're gonna see if we can show you guys a little bit of, you know, the New Orleans that I like. And anyway, let's go have some fun, right? That's what it's all about, is having some fun and bringing you guys a little bit of what this beautiful country has, all right? New Orleans, that way, baby. All right, here we are, coming into Mississippi. All right, it's not that we're doing a whole lot of states on this trip, but it's always exciting to cross the state line. It's always exciting. I don't know, I get excited about it. Biloxi, Mississippi, the Las Vegas of the Gulf Coast. Lots of casinos around here. For those who like gambling, I don't, so doesn't do it for me, man. I'd much rather be riding my motorcycle, I can tell you that. Woohoo! Having a good time? Beautiful road, huh?
Yeah, wow.
Man, that beach looks so nice. Makes me want to jump on it. All right, we are gonna make a quick stop right here in the docks. See if we can find a place where we can have a beer, because we are thirsty. Very, very thirsty. Nice, huh? What do you think about this nice ride? It's miles and miles and miles and miles of coast.
Craziest thing I've seen, actually, a highway right on the beach like that with almost no beach parking at all.
Ah, this is a nice beer, man. Is that light smack? It's delicious, man. It's the local beer. Okay, don't smack me at all, man. Please. You smack me, and it's gonna end up in a smacking contents. You understand?
Pretty sure, based on your behavior, you've already been smacked too many times. So, I'll lay off.
I don't like you, Ronnie, but I'm gonna cheers this time. We are in Pass Christian, Mississippi, and we just met a fellow adventure rider. His name is Ryan.
Tour riders. That's
Yes,
why
man.
I love these guys, man.
We actually stopped at this, Shaggy's, which is a restaurant that is right here on the porch. As you can see, we're right at the porch, right on the beach. My friend right here is actually from this area, but tell him what you do, how you ride, because he just told me a story that I found to be super exciting. I just wanted, him to share with you guys. So
What I do, I'm an independent owner-operator through trucking. I haul mattresses and furniture. I love to take my motorcycle with me. I learned this concept on YouTube. This guy had a stretched out frame, obviously, with a big garage. He had a scissor lift hydraulic button touch that would set his Harley Davidson out on the ground for him.
That is
I
awesome.
said, if you can do that, I can make my own thing, right?
Right.
So Tractor Supply Company, man, $150 later, got me carrying my own DR650 with me everywhere I go.
So he basically travels for work, with his truck all over the United States, but he carries his motorcycle with him. And whenever he's got some time off, he takes the bike and just goes for a ride.
Go find an adventure,
how cool
man.
is that,
From
man?
here to Miami to Salt Lake City to Moab, Utah, Aspen, Colorado. Seen it, man. Done it.
Man,
It's fantastic.
That is awesome.
Two wheels were engineered and originally created for adventure.
Amen.
They're
Amen.
climbing hills, they're doing this, they're doing that. Adventure, adventure, adventure.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ronnie's here. He's feeling a little...
I agree with everything they're saying. So.
All right. You agree?
I'm in agreement.
It's important, though, that Ronnie's in agreement. Now, goodbye, Ronnie.
Pleasure to meet you guys.
Pleasure to meet you,
It was
Ryan.
fantastic.
No, man,
I
it
love
was-
meeting tour bike riders. I'm going to ride with you guys as far as when you leave here across the Bay Bridge, and I'm turning left, and then you guys continue on, but I've had a blast with you guys today.
Pleasure to meet you, brother.
Sounds cool, man.
So long, amigo. Take care, buddy. Welcome to Louisiana! Woohoo! Yeah! All right, guys, another state, Louisiana. I love New Orleans, man. What can I say? As you guys can see by now, you guys know me for a while already. I love everything. I really do. I mean, I find something special everywhere, or I try to. Something that makes me want to come back to, Just like most people are great everywhere, most people, so is the landscape. we made it. Woo-hoo! Because it's late, we're gonna go first towards the campsite, which is about 15 miles south of here. Set up the camp, you know, and then after that, we're gonna come out. It's gonna be nighttime by then, but we're gonna come into town and look for a place to eat because we are starving, man. But we're here. We are here. Yes!
Hey amigos, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know what you think on the comments section below. Thanks again for watching, and right on amigos!